Hi friends, today we are going to learn number 4. 4. Four friends big and small, together they stand tall. Day and night their country they guard. For Pakistan they work very hard. 4. There are 4 people in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many wheels does a car have? कार के कितने पहिए होते हैं, कितने व्हील्स होते हैं? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. After number 4, here comes a number 5. 5. 5 friends had a plan, playing together as a clan. Jumping high and running along, daily exercise made them strong. आप देखिए इस पिक्चर में, इन दिस पिक्चर देयर आर 5 चिल्ड्रन. 5, क्या आप इस पिक्चर में देखें 5 चिल्ड्रन हैं जो खेल रहे हैं. कौन? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 टेबल. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here comes number 6. 6. 6 kids studied hard. They also played their backyard. When they needed a book, library was the place to look. How many students are there in the picture? How many? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 children in the picture. And what do we learn from the books? We learn many different things from the books. We get education and knowledge from the books. 6 fishes. Count them please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Number 6. Here comes number 7. 6 के बाद number 7 आता है. 7. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I love every day of the week. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Number 7. आप इस पिक्चर में देखें, देयर आर 7 ट्राइंगल. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 6 के बाद आता है नंबर 7. 7 की ऐसी शेप होती है. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's again count from 1 to 5 or 5 to 1. It's a backward counting. How? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.